Hey everyone, Garage 79R. Pardon the odd angle. We're in my basement. I've taken apart my Tercel headlights out of Floyd because I'm going to be replacing the projectors in them. So everything's kind of blown apart. I'm waiting some other stuff to show up, but something pretty cool showed up, and I think I may be in the possession of the last last new set of two-door glass run, or window seals. It was at least when I was looking around. I've got on several sites, and MegaZip was the only one that listed one for each side. So I bought them. So I'm holding gold here because they're not cheap. I mean, who knows? There might be more out there, but I probably spent all 4 minutes looking. I found these. And MegaZip, I found places that listed it but didn't actually stock it, and their prices were much higher. So, I don't know what I'm going to put them in. Both sets are bad, in Earl and Floyd. The ones in Earl are worse, but I care the least about that. However, at the same time, that's almost all I hear going down the road at highway speeds in Earl is the wind noise from the missing pieces of steel. But I wouldn't put something like this on Earl. Earl's a tool. So this will be saved, and the ones in Floyd are okay. They're broken, but I just reposition them when they get out of position. If they start getting really bad, then I'll put these in. I'm not going to use them just yet. But it's really cool. Read any of that? Where are we at? There we go. There. I don't know which side is which. Don't care right now. Go back to this one. Oh yeah, front. It doesn't. Well, anyway. So I thought it was pretty cool. I'm gonna stick these in a safe spot, and I'll see you guys on the next one.